concerning Nio, the popular EV stock, and as you can see in the past month, they have surged up 97%, and this is no coincidence, let me tell you. So Nio does have around a $70 billion market cap as I am recording this video, but I think that they can go a lot higher. Their stock price is sitting around $50. Sometimes when it goes a little bit below, like high 40s, it just goes right back up to low 50s. So it's pretty consistent actually over the last couple days or week. It feels very comfortable in this location at the moment. Now, I want to talk about the future because that's all what investing is. It doesn't matter what they've done in the past. It doesn't matter what they're doing right now. It's always a forward outlooking futuristic point of view. So I want to talk about how a lot of people are actually looking at this as a very high potential stock. Now, many financial institutions have actually upgraded this, except for one, and that is Citron. And as we can see right here, they have actually cut it in half to a $25 price target. Now, this is literally the only financial institution in the world right now that is actually having a bearish outlook on it. Now, as you can see here, Bank of America actually upgraded them 3 times in the last month. As well as JP Morgan having a bullish outlook on them, as well as a couple others. Literally everyone except for Citron. But moving on, I wanted to talk about Nio and what they are actually as a business. So obviously they are an electric vehicle business, but they are also like a tech company, very similar to Tesla. Now they're much smaller than Tesla. Tesla's essentially like 10 times larger, approximately. But I want to talk about how Nio has some very, very strong core structural points in their business, and that is one of them being their battery, their 100 kilowatt battery. Now, this 100 kilowatt battery goes for 370 miles. This one does rival Tesla's battery at the moment, and now they have had talks about coming out with a 350 kilowatt battery that should be going 570 miles. Now, the big thing that they have is their battery as a service right here. Now, battery as a service is you can swap out the battery in minutes. I believe they say it takes 3 minutes for a 100% battery charge or to swap it back in, and they have done a lot of swaps actually. Now, this is an article, it's a little bit dated. It's actually from June 2nd. This is when they hit 500,000 swaps. As recording this video, they have actually completed 1 million swaps. So this is a quick little overview of their little swap station. You just drive in, they pop in the new battery, and out you go. So very quick, very efficient. Now, what I really like about Nio is they are a small electric vehicle company, but they are making sales. Unlike other companies such as Nikola that were very speculative, they didn't really have any consistency to their financials. They are actually planning on selling 16 to 17,000 cars in the last quarter of 2020, which is really strong, as well as they have very advanced autopilot. I would say they are second to Tesla, and they have really attacked Tesla quite aggressively in a good way to get market share. And the reason why is because they're also coming out with this sedan, as we can see right here on screen. It looks very sleek, very stylish. Right now they have 2 big SUVs and 1 crossover, so a sedan will be a really strong addition to their fleet. And now, again, even attacking Tesla even more, they have partnered or are utilizing Intel and Qualcomm to advance their autopilot. And in China, their regulations are a lot different than here in the US. So they can possibly have an okay to have this on the road quicker than Tesla. And that is massive. If they can say that they were the first ones to bring autopilot to public roads. Now, this going back to the sedan, it's said to be released on January 9th, hopefully having autopilot in here. And then even more, after introducing this sedan and the autopilot, they are trying to expand to Europe, and they are basing their headquarters in Denmark, hoping to have 7,000 car sales in the first 2 years. And if this is very successful, they have talks about building another factory actually in Europe, so they don't have to constantly transport from China to Europe. That's pretty much all that I have right now, but I can see them definitely surging up more. I know that they've surged up in the past, but again, the past is in the past. We are forward-thinking investors. I can see this stock going to 100, even possibly 150 in the next coming years. I think that 70 billion, yes, it is very massive, although I do not believe that Nio is just an electric vehicle manufacturer. They are a tech company. They have so much more to them than just a car company like the traditional ones in the past. So that's all I have for you guys today. Just a quick update. Please drop a like and please subscribe to keep up to date with the uploads. Thank you.